going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel for another video. Today I am getting some new tires mounted up to the rear of my M6. The ones I have on there right now are these stock 295 30/20 tires. They're a Michelin Pilot Super Sport, and from what I've heard, it's way better when you upgrade. So yesterday I went ahead and picked up some of these. These are Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's. Looks like that. So I'm stoked to get these on. They're definitely gonna poke a lot harder than these stock tires, and these ones definitely could use some new tires because those factory ones are pretty toast at this point. It's getting a little sketchy to drive, and I never have traction. So main goal, swap tires, get traction, and it should be way faster now that I'll have some grip. All right, I'm gonna go get these tires mounted up and I'll catch you right after that. Just got my Michelin Pilot 4S's mounted up on the rear of the M6. They look pretty good. They actually don't look that different than before. But yeah, I'm just trying to get some heat in them right now. Just pulled out of the tire shop. And yeah, probably gonna go for a little cruise, go wash the car really quick, and kind of see what these tires are about. I definitely spun a bunch getting onto the freeway, but like I said, they are brand new and cold, so gotta get some heat into these things real quick. And I probably have a little bit of break-in life because if they are brand new, a little slick, that kind of deal. Let's see. Little fourth gear pull, no spin at all. I think the real thing is gonna be like third gear and second gear. So I'm gonna have to do a little bit of city driving, you know, around the house. Let me make sure you can hear me. I also definitely need to film an exhaust video soon. This car sounds amazing now. Definitely sick. It's very drivable when you want it to be quiet, and super loud when you're getting on it. So that is great. Third gear. Woo! Little traction light. But honestly, it's hooking. Woo, this thing is fast. Okay, yeah, I would say this is a good investment because that is into infinity and beyond. This car is just gonna pull forever now. I was literally, oh, that's cop, and I'm going kind of fast. Tires will always be a great upgrade, even though they're not that exciting overall. It's something you have to do more often than not because your other ones are bald, and you know, it sucks to pay for them, but once you have them, awesome. Car runs way better, way faster, so can't complain. Woo. All right, I just hit the local touchless car wash. It's like 90 something degrees outside, so I don't want to wash my own car. I'm being lazy. But while I'm sitting here, looks like I have to reset my tire pressure sensors. Perform reset. Okay, so apparently it is resetting right now according to my dash down there. And now I'm all good. It's just in the vehicle status menu, and I guess they just didn't do that at the shop. I wouldn't think that they would know how to do that anyways. But so far, tires seem great, really hooking up, a lot of traction. Car is very fast and pretty sick. Something smart I figured out is when I'm parked in my local car wash, it's kind of right on the road and everyone stops to talk to me because, you know, I went to high school in this area and stuff. So I pull over into this like empty church parking lot, which is actually protected by some trees from the road. And now no one talks to me while I wipe all the water off my car. All right. Now that the car is pretty clean, she's shining. Let's look at the tires. You can tell, meaty sidewall, poke out a little bit. My wheels don't really poke that much, but yeah, Sport 4S. up for some lower gear pulls. It's safe to say she rips in second gear and third gear. I get like a little tiny bit of spin, but it's so much less than I was getting with those 295s. I mean, it has been a massive improvement overall. Just in like the 25-30 minutes I just been driving it, it's definitely a huge step up. I definitely did like a little rolling burnout over there on the road, but you know, it gripped up pretty quick after that. The traction control on this car, the M dynamic mode, is super good. But I'm just gonna do a quick little walk around. Unfortunately, I got hit by some dust clouds on the way home. But for a super quick car wash, not too bad. There were so many bugs on the front of my car earlier, it was just god awful, so I had to do something. I'm also melting my bumper a wee bit there. I think either that trim piece is like hanging down a little bit, or that exhaust tip just keeps sliding up on the hanger. I don't know. I might have to just get a custom little piece in there to push the exhaust down just a little bit, but I'm not exactly mad about it. I mean, it's gonna happen. These tires look pretty good though. All right, it's been a lot of talking, a lot of hecticness, whatever. With all that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that like button and drop a comment down below. Do you have an M6? Are you still on the stock tires? Are you looking to get an M6? Are you just looking to get tires in general? I would highly recommend these Michelin Pilot Sport 4Ss. It's a lot to say, but the Sport 4Ss have definitely proven themselves. Everyone I know runs these tires. Are the new best thing on the streets or whatever, so can't say more than that. Can't say more, I don't know how to word that. They're good tires. If you want new tires for your sports car and you can afford them, go for it. I ended up picking these up off of a mutual friend on Facebook for pretty cheap. So look for some deals, look around. Hit that subscribe button if you guys want to catch more content. We've got a rally coming up in like 2 weeks or so. I also have some new stuff to go shoot, and also our range got updated. So a lot of stuff going on, and I'm trying to just keep content moving. As I said, I'm talking too much. All right, bye.